myself Shri Dhurga. We are from Asian Compressors. We deal with air compressors from starting HPs to the industrial equipments. All your needs. We fulfill all your industrial needs with our air compressors. We are currently dealing with Asian screw air compressors and also like piston and reciprocating compressors. We are the authorized dealers for AP and Telangana. Our firm name is Unique Air Solution and Equipments. We are doing here sales for AP and Telangana, also services and AMC kind of things. We are very thankful for this wonderful opportunity from this HIMTEX Expo. We are looking for more and more opportunities for these kind of expos. We are very glad to have this opportunity. Thank you so much.